Hi guys, hi girls. What we're gonna do? I've got some when microchips was here today, guys and girls. He gave me some ribbon cable. He gave me some ribbon cable, and I think the ribbon cable is better than this. I mean, that's a lot. Where's the piece I took off? I'm going to use. We'll just pull the piece off I want to use. Oh, there it is. So look at that's a lot neater, isn't it? And I'll be able to fit this somewhere. Probably. I'll be able to fit it under that jumper. I'm going to take that jumper out. Would it go under there? Then loop over. It might, you know. Anyway, what we'll do. We'll go to the back here, and what we'll do, we'll mark, we'll make sure we've got a hole on each of these, and I think we will have. So what we can do, we can take this off. Right. That one. And that one. That one. That one. There we go. And I'll just clean it up. Where's me fucking cleaning? Where's me sucker? See, we've got a join there. So we'll clean. There you go. Right, where's me dirtiest clean rag? Because my nose is blocked again. Again. And what we'll do, I fancy. Right. And what the idea is, guys. The idea that I've got is to unclog all these here. That one there might not be able to. Yeah, we have. You see, move them wires. We don't melt them with the soldering iron. See, because that's where you solder them. If your channel switch is not going to be mounted to your board. Right, so all we do there, guys, we've got 8 wires. 2 of them will go to, we only need 7. So what we'll do, we'll start with, this one's number 1. So let's find out where our wires go to, shall we? Let's find out how many holes we've got. That would help, wouldn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have a wire going to just, let me just scrape that there, guys. I don't think it's not, but there we go. Oh, my bloody nose, guys. Oh. There we go. Right, so we've got one here. One going there that's not used, that goes to the PLL. That's not used, that doesn't go to the channels. So we skip that one. So we've got one here. So we've got this one. We've got this one. Hey Christine,
yeah?
do us another coffee. Yeah, I think better when I'm having it. I think better when I've got a coffee. Okay. Right, so basically, we've got. What, do you want a poo?
Yeah, I took him out. He's had one.
Where'd you take him?
Just on the field.
Oh.
Around the block.
Right. Right, so that one there we don't use. That one there isn't used. That one there. We should have 8 of them. 7 of them, sorry. 1 to there. Then 1 to there. Yeah, what we'll do, we'll get the meter. Because it's a bit tricky to follow, to be honest. They are this time of night. We'll get the meter. Right. Now just get me wires untangled. Right, so that one is that one. So we'll say so that's that one. Just tidy that one there up. Put my soldering iron. Yeah, there we go. Just tidy these up. That's it. That's it. It's better. It's better. Yeah. Fucking hell, not again. Jesus. There we go. So that one is there. That's there. Then I thought that one. I thought that one. It is. So that one goes to there and then goes round into the chip there to the second pin. Then the next one is there. That one. So that one's there. So all we do here, guys, this is very, very thin. Very thin. Wow. So we were going to poke them through the holes on the top, but we're not. So what we'll do is see. There we go. Shit, I'm going to chop that one off. That's got it. So that's them two. I want to bloody chop one off. Dopey bastard. Doesn't matter, it'll still go on. Then we've got that one. We want them all level, really. That one. That one. We're just stripping the wires here, guys. That one. I mean, why not do it properly, make it look nice? That's it. Let's get the right. Move this out of the way a minute, because we just need to move the meter. There we go. Right. And all we'll do is we'll tin these.
You're handy.
Let's put it on here. Cheers. tinning up lovely, guys. Yeah, give me a. Yeah, give me some. What do you call it? I may as well do a nice job. I mean, I'm always saying if a job's worth doing, it's worth doing well. If it's not worth doing, then, you know, if you can't do it properly, don't do it. That's it. There we go. There we go. Yeah, the soldering iron's a bit better now, guys. There you go. That's it. Right. There you go. Get that out of the way for a minute. Now all we do is we just I'll find some way of anchoring them on. So yep. So we're going to touch that fucker there. There we go. All we're good there now. Next one. Next one. Right. I'll move this out of the way for a second. And that's that one. Then we want to go. So we're going to need the meter really to do these. Right. So that's that one. Then we want the next one, which is there. Which is there. Double check it. Yep. Next one on there. That's that one. There we go. Takes some doing this, guys, but we get there. Right. So next one, which is that. Which is there. Which is that one there. The screw gets caught under there. There we go. Right, let me just double check that. It's there. And there, that's where it was. I'm going to double check, triple check even. Yeah, we're good. So our next wire. Out! I've got nothing. You've just come in. That one tended to not be very well tinned. Yeah. That's it. But this is it, guys. This is all you do, really. You have to do it this way. Because we haven't got one to copy. So we want, so that one we've done. And this one. Yep. Always double check them. Always double check them, guys. In case you've got two connections. Right. There you go. Next wire. Hang on, I think I've just gone to the wrong place there. No, I haven't. I haven't. See, the thing is, you see, you think you've got it tinned. There we go. There we go. I think you've got it tinned and you fucking haven't, because you can see fucking, I must have missed that fucker. done. They're getting harder now the more you do them. Right? You're getting fucking more wires in. Now. That one comes along. Goes to there. Hey. Bring these down. See, these are all it's difficult. There you go. There you go. It's a lot easier this way. I'm not turning it over and flexing everything. Now, very carefully turn it upside down there. Because we've got 3 wires left. But I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there's one that we don't use. There's one that we don't use, which is the end, one. So we'll leave that until we get to the end. There we go. That's the one we're not going to use. There we go. So we've actually got 2 wires. And one of those goes there. Which is where the channel dimmer goes.
Did you come around there?
Yeah.
You've been out of scraps.
One goes there. That goes there. And then the last one. Goes here. Right. Now what we'll do, we'll flip the radio back over. And what we'll do, we'll flip that there. Pull this out. If it will come out. Yeah, it will. Undo the knot. See, and that can be used for something else. So over there out of the way. So what I want to do next, I want to lift, put that there like that, want to do is put that like that, guys. That wire's the wrong way. Oh no, it's there we are. What I want to do is put this on here. Like that. So if I undo that jumper, where is that jumper? It's there. So if I lift that up, which is already there, I take the jumper out. There we go. Only one side of it. I think I can get away with one side of it. Where's my thin pliers? There you go. Now, if I pop that down there, in between there, and pop, I do that, so if I can now see, the idea is to get that jumper back into, oops, back into there, not too tightly on it. That's it. If I get my where did I take the jumper? Oops. There it is. There you go. That's all you need, guys. There we go. Make sure that that's, yeah, not pulled through. No, it's good. Make sure that it doesn't pull out. No. Make sure the jumper's tight. Yeah, that's good. So what we've done, guys, we've actually put the jumper, we've put the wires under there, We can take them through a bit further. There you go. And that's it, guys. See, we've got all that neatly soldered on. Got all that neatly soldered on under there, and is that coming out? Let's just check it. Ooh, no, it's in. Just double get a second opinion. Let's get a second opinion with the meter. The meter gives you a second opinion, and it's probably the best opinion you can get, because if that jumper's not connected, we won't get a connection here. And it is. You see, guys, when I did my first build, I learnt a lot from that. See, that'll come up to the channel changer. That's no worries. I'm not worried about that at all. That'll come up there, no worries. And look how neat it is. How neat we are there now, guys. What we need to do though, when we're connecting up, is we will need to buzz each wire and look at where each wire goes on the channel changer. We'll need to check all that out. That's not the one we're using. Where's the one we? There's the one we're using. But we're going to be upside down, you see. So we're going to have to look at how we do this. Because we're going to use as many of these headers here as we can. They're really nice. You know, get a really nice get a really nice thingy on it, so it looks really nice. But that's where we're up to, guys. I thought, well, you know, given that I've got that, I thought to myself, you know, since Microchips gave me all this ribbon cable, then, you know, and it comes in handy, this stuff, you know. He was saying he's got loads of it, like, you know, so, and it comes in really handy, you know. So that's, you know, and they won't pull out of there now. They won't finger, because that jumper won't eat up. We're all right there. They won't chafe, because once it's in, it's in, isn't it? And what we'll do with our board, with our mid-band, we'll put that to, put that to about there, because we can put a cable tie or two through it, and we can put it there after we've done the tune-up. But we can't do nothing with that till we do the tune-up. There should be a red LED on this somewhere. Buggered if I can see it, but it will be. It'll be a surface mount one. Yeah, that's your scepter just there. There'll be an LED somewhere. There it is there. There's an LED, there's a VCO lock LED. It's on the bottom of the board. It's on the bottom of the board, I think. So we'll need, yeah, it's there. So we'll need I'll tell you what, guys. I'll tell you what. He does a fucking lovely job. You know. Yeah, so we've got to leave that out while we do the tune up. And then we can secure that in there. And it'll be there then. Well, for as long as I own it, it will be. I'm really happy with that, guys. I mean, them channel change wires, they won't get pulled. If they do, they just get pulled across that fucking jumper. Won't get pulled off the board. Because what my biggest worry was pulling them and having a fuck about going around it all the time, resoldering. You know, we've got these wires here. All these have got to go back on. Got to put the mic wires on, which are here. They're all the mic wires. And then we've got to go get rid of these speaker wires because we're not going to use them. Get rid of them. They can be got rid of because we ain't going to use them. We're just going to use the external port for the speaker. I use the extension speaker. That way, if I need to, that way it can be. That way I can plug the test instrument into it. A lot easier. It went down the wrong hole, guys. Well, that's where we're up to, guys, I'm afraid. I'll be back live with you tonight. Is it 12 o'clock yet? I don't know. But I'll be back with you tonight anyway, if it's Thursday. I'll be back with you tonight. Yeah, I gave Graham my 23 band Midland, 23 channel Midland SSB AM SSB to work his magic on, because it's on frequency and stuff, and it is tuned, but I'm not sure if the SSB is right. I want it checking on. I want the SSB checking. Single sideband checking, so he's going to do that for me, and he'll make a video. He'll do it, and I know when it comes back from Graham, it'll be absolutely bob on, man. It'll work. I mean, it did work well, but I'd like it checking. It probably hasn't been checked, and I don't know how to check the SSB, so because I haven't got the stuff for it. I could soon pick up how to do it. Soon get the gist. Let's turn the soldering iron off. But that's what we wanted for tonight anyway, guys. That was what we wanted for tonight. Was our channels. Wanted to do a better job on our channel wires. And I think that ribbon cable's better. But and yeah, I'm happy with the way that's turned out, but we'll go over it again as we come to, you know. I'm gonna leave it there, guys, and thank you very much for joining me for this second video in the second video this evening, should I say. Not the second video in the series, there's quite a few now. I mean, we're going to be rounding the series off soon, because we're going to be getting, we've got some record players coming. They may come tomorrow, and unfortunately record players have to take priority, because, well, that's what I mainly do really, but this is, the record players will be done live. This is being done in videos, and this is just getting a few updates live talked about. But yeah, I'm happy with the way things are going. Right, you all take it easy, my friends, and if you like what you've seen, like, share, subscribe, buy me a coffee, you know, all them good things. I'll catch you later, guys. You all take it easy. Bye for now.